Welcome back to Teens Top Notch Academy. So we're still on differentiation, and we've treated these methods of differentiation, which includes the general method of differentiation, the first principle method of differentiation, the chain rule, and the product rule. And today we're looking at the quotient rule being one of the methods of differentiation. Okay. Okay, a quotient is a result that is gotten after division. Okay. Then let's say we have a function of u and v being u over v. So when u is a function of s, that is, u is a function of what? X. And v is also what? A function of what? X. Okay? So now we can find the y over the x of this u over v being the y over the x equals to v du over the x minus u dv over the x all over v squared. So this particular formula is what we call quotient rule. All right, this is what we apply to solve quotient rule. So this is the formula you're going to apply whenever you are solving quotient rule. So let's look at some examples that will apply quotient rule to solve. Differentiate two x using quotient rule. All right, so if we look at 2s now, there are different methods that can be used to differentiate 2s. But in this case, they say we should use quotient rule to differentiate. You can use product rule to differentiate 2s, like I've solved it before, and we got an answer. Then you can also use first principle method to differentiate 2s. You can use general method to differentiate 2s. Then now we're using quotient rule to differentiate 2s, and let's see what we're going to get. So given that y equals to 2s, so to make it to be in u over v, which is the one that involves division, so we can now say this should be what? Over what? 1. All right, so 2s over 1 is the same as 2s, so we have not changed anything. So we can now call this to be u. We can call this now to be what? V. Then it now implies that our u is equal to what? 2x. Therefore the u over what? The x is going to give us what? 2. All right, then the next thing is our v is equal to what? 1. Therefore the v over the x is equal to 0. When you differentiate a constant, it gives you 0. Then now we need to apply the formula, which says the y over the x equals to v du over the x minus u dv over the x, all divided by b squared. So it's now left for us to substitute the values of u, v, du over the x, and that of what? The v over the x. So which will now give us the y over the x is equal to, our v is gotten to be 1, and write 1 bracket, then the u over the s is 2. So minus u is gotten to be 2x. The v over the s is 0. then all divided by what? V squared. Where is V? 1. 1 squared. Okay, that's how you apply this method to solve. And finally, we're going to arrive at an answer, which is dy over dx is equals to 2 minus this multiplied by 0 is the same as 0, or divided by 1, which is giving us 2 over 1, giving us what? 2. And this is the what? Answer. All right. So do well to apply the quotient rule to solve other functions that involves division sign. And if you have any issue, maybe while you were solving, then you can drop it in the comment section, or you want me to treat a particular function, also drop it there. I will treat it and you watch it and get what you want from it. Thank you.